Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello everyone and good morning all of you. This is Ashima Shukla, your current affairs and banking awareness faculty on Entri platform. This is a video of daily current affairs in which I'll be talking about all the major news events that have happened in the past days in a short and crisp format. For those who want the session to be in question format, we are bringing a weekly recap of all the news events in the form of questions every Saturday, starting this Saturday. And the session is going to be organized at 7 p.m. So approximately at 7 p.m. And the link is going to be out soon. So join us in that session for the weekly recap and questions, whereas this session is going to be a completely theoretical, short and crisp session for your daily updates. Also, for those who want to practice daily quiz, for them we have an everyday live quiz happening on Entri app. You can download app from the link provided in the description section below and in the comment section below. Those who want this video in Hindi, for them we have this video in Hindi as well, but that is going to be available on app as well. Starting on the discussion of news events, the first event being Life Insurance Corporation of India has launched an individual savings life insurance plan. The name of the plan is Dhan Rekha. The minimum sum assured under Dhan Rekha plan is 2 lakh rupees. There is no upper limit on the maximum sum which is insured under this scheme. The benefits of the plan fully guaranteed, and the age group who can avail this plan should be in the range of 90 days to 8 years. The age group that who can avail is 90 days to 8 years. Maximum age of the entrance can be 35 to 55 years. So 90 days to 8 years, whereas the maximum age for entering, maximum age to enter, that is going to be 35 to 55 years of age group, right? Who is the current chairperson of LIC? M.R. Kumar. SBI card has launched a first of its kind credit card with the name SBI Card Pulse. SBI Card Pulse offers fitness and health related benefits to the users, and it has been launched on the Visa signature platform. The annual membership charge of this card is 1,499, it provides as a joining amount or as a joining gift, welcome gift. It gives Noise Color Fit Pulse smartwatch worth 4,999, approximately 5,000 rupees. Also, this joining annual membership fees is going to be nullified or waived off if there is a minimum expenditure of 2 lakh rupees by the user within the year. Right? And also it's going to give 1 year Fit Pass Pro membership, and there are about 4,000 plus gyms and fitness studios in the country where this can be availed. Free NetMeds plan subscription is going to be there. NetMeds voucher for spending 4 lakh rupees in a year is also going to be there. And then there are the reward points in pharmacies and chemist shops and movies, etc. Asian Development Bank has approved a loan of 112 million US dollars to establish Assam Skill University recently. It's going to definitely enable the enhancement of skill education and training facilities, and various employment opportunities are going to be opened, and self-employment opportunities specifically in the youth is going to be opened. Reserve Bank of India or RBI has brought a non-banking financial companies or NBFCs under the ambit of Prompt Corrective Action or PCA framework. PCA framework provisions will be effective from October 2022 on the basis of the financial position of NBFCs on or after 31st of March 2022. PCA framework is applied on all deposit taking NBFCs excluding all the government companies, all the non-deposit taking NBFCs in the middle, upper and top layers. Now PCA will be imposed when net performing assets or NPA is between 6 to 9%, which is a very risk threshold one. In risk threshold 2, it is going to be 9 to 12%. In risk threshold 3, it's going to be if it's more than 12%. So on the basis of non-performing assets, there's going to be category 1, 2 and 3. starting with 6 to 9% in first category, 9 to 12 in second category, and 12% plus in the third category. Then we have Japan International Cooperation Agency JICA and Tamil Nadu's Health and Family Welfare Department. They have entered into an ROD, record of discussions agreement, with an aim to strengthen the health sector in the state. ROD was signed to prevent and control non-communicable diseases in the country. So it's the project is for the same, that is termed as prevention and control of non-communicable diseases in the region of Tamil Nadu. Geographical Indications Registry GIR, which comes under Central Ministry of Commerce, has accepted the petition to rename Bihar Makhanas as Mithila Makhana. Also, it has suggested that the brand logo should be changed. DBS Bank India has won ET BFSI Excellence Award 2021 in two categories: Innovative API or Open Banking Model and Best Digital Customer Experience Initiative category. Time Magazine 2021 has named Elon Musk, who's the CEO of Tesla, as the Person of the Year. China has successfully launched Shijian 605, which is a new group of satellites into space from Jiuquan Satellite Center, launch center in the northwest of China. Satellites were launched by the Long March 4B rocket. Area of 445.65 square kilometers around the boundary of Ascot Wildlife Sanctuary in Pithoragarh district of Uttarakhand has been declared as Ascot Wildlife Sanctuary Eco-Sensitive Zone by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change recently. Ascot Wildlife Sanctuary is also known as Musk Deer Park. This wildlife sanctuary is also known as Musk Deer Park. IIT Delhi has signed an MOU with Indian Air Force to support the requirements towards the indigenous solutions in weapon system. Under the MOU, IIT Delhi will provide cooperation and consultancy support. IAF has identified the joint working areas like technology development and developing solutions towards the sustenance of various weapon systems. Worldline, which is a global leader in payment solution, has partnered with major card networks including Visa, MasterCard, RuPay and leading card issuing banks in building a tokenization solution to enable businesses to comply with Reserve Bank of India's recent guidelines of storage of card details. RBI guidelines on card storage are going to be effective from 1st of January 2022. Now, according to the new guidelines, what are the terms which have been imposed is that the merchants are not supposed to store the card details. People can get the card tokenized and that can be utilized. Otherwise, you have to give the whole card details while entering into any transaction on any third-party platform. Reserve Bank of India has enforced Legal Entity Identifier or LEI mandatory for cross-border transactions for capital of current account transactions of 50 crores and above from 1st of October 2022 under the Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999. Now, if we talk about Legal Entity Identifier LEI, it's a 20-digit number that helps to improve the quality and accuracy of financial data systems by uniquely identifying parties to financial transactions around the world. So all the transactions they can be tracked easily on international platform using this Legal Entity Identifier, because this is going to be available on the website of Global Legal Entity Identifier Foundation or GLEAF. LEI was introduced by Reserve Bank of India in phased manner for over-the-counter derivatives, OTCs and non-derivative markets, and slowly now it has come out for all the current transactions. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited BPCL has tied up with Bhabha Atomic Research Center or BARC to scale up the alkaline electrolyzer technology for green hydrogen generation as it seeks to achieve net zero emission by the year of 2040. Now India is the world's third largest emitter of greenhouse gases, so we are aspiring to a net zero emission by 2070. India's target, in terms of India, we have target for 2070 to bring to net zero, and we are also trying to increase the amount of renewables in the energy mix to 50% by 2030 and about 38% at present. Adani Green Energy AGL has signed a power purchase agreement with Solar Energy Corporation of India (SECI) to support the 4667 megawatt of green energy. It's the world's largest green power purchase agreement, as Adani is on track to be the world's largest renewables player by the year 2030. So far, they have signed PPAs with SECI for a total generation capacity of close to 6,000 megawatts of the 8,000 megawatts awarded in 2020. India successfully tested a multi-barrel rocket launcher named Pinaka Extended Range at Pokhran. The upgraded version of the earlier Pinaka have been in service with the Indian Army since a decade now. India successfully launched Supersonic Missile Assisted Torpedo System, or SMAT, from Abdul Kalam Island, which was earlier known as Wheeler Island of the Odisha coast. Indian weightlifter Ajay Singh has won a third gold medal for India in men's 81 kg at Commonwealth Weightlifting Championship 2021, becoming the third Indian weightlifter to directly qualify for 2022 Commonwealth Games, which are to be organized in Birmingham. Before that, Jeremy Lalrunga and Achita Sheloi, they have also qualified for 2022 Commonwealth Games. And Harjinder Kaul and Lal Chami have won silver and bronze medal in the women's 71 kg category. Union External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar participated in the 6th edition of Global Technology Summit. The theme of the summit was Global Meets Local. 2021 theme, which has been kept, is Global Meets Local. On this summit, there are going to be discussions regarding cryptocurrencies, encryption, vaccine supply chains, cloud computing, digital payments, cybersecurity, and various other issues pertaining to the present age. Union Minister for Youth Affairs and Sports Anurag Singh Thakur has inaugurated the first edition of Khelo India Under-21 Women's Hockey League at the Major Dhyan Chand National Stadium in New Delhi. A total of 14 teams across different states will be participating in this league from 15 to 21st of December 2021. Odisha Government's Department of Mission has partnered with United Nations Capital Development Fund, or UNCDF, and have launched Mission Shakti Living Lab project to empower women economically and drive gender equality in the state of Odisha. So this partnership has established a living lab to accelerate women's economic empowerment by providing them directly in contact with the self-help groups. Ascot Wildlife Sanctuary in Uttarakhand, Pithoragarh, has been declared eco-sensitive zone recently. And Reserve Bank of India has issued a PCA framework for NBFCs effective from 1st of October 2022. This we have already discussed in detail. With this, we'll be winding up this segment. I'll be seeing you in the next session. Till then, have a great day ahead. Don't forget to like and share the video.